Hey friends, this is Atif Opior Val and welcome to the update on AMP. On a daily time frame chart, you can see that the price on AMP has recently broken out a quite long-term down channel, and after the breakout from the channel, the price could not break out this resistance zone. That's out from $0.0058 and goes to $0.0065. That has been previously acting as a support zone and resistance on here, and now after the breakdown, it is again flipped into a resistance and the price has retested the previous resistance of the channel as support and geared up. And if you take a look at the 7-day time frame chart, then you can see that the price line is also forming a double bottom at this very long term support of $0.003 that had been previously acting as support here, support here, support here, and now again it is working as support. This time, by the way, the price line moved slightly down and it formed slightly lower than previous. So at the same time, if you take a look at the stochastic, then you can see that stochastic did not form another lower than previous low. In fact, it formed a higher low than previous low. So this was a very big bullish divergence on this 7-day time frame chart. Therefore, the price is bounced very well. And in today's video, I would also like to show this very huge breakout that is happening here on the 7-day time frame chart from this big and long term falling wedge pattern as well. By the way, I have been showing you this wedge even before the breakout when it was moving inside this wedge, and I was telling you that after the breakout, we can expect a very massive rally. And so far, from this low to this high, it has rallied more than 1,558%, but could not break out this down trendline resistance. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of June 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for follow, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this signal I shared on 19th of June 2025. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup, buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here and after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of AMP. And first of all, I'm going to show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, a few months, it has been moving inside this channel from the month of November 2024 up till the month of May 2025. But after the breakout, it was rejected by this long-term resistance zone that starts from $0.0058 and goes to $0.0065. You can see that for the past stable weeks, it is breaking as a resistance. Before that, it was acting as support here and resistance on here. And if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this resistance zone has been even previously acting as a support zone here in the month of April 2024 and resistance here in the month of Feb 2024. And if we move more back, then here it was also breaking as a resistance zone in the month of October 2022 as well. Therefore, again, it worked as a very strong resistance, and we need to break it out in order to continue this rally to the upside. By the way, here we also have a very big bullish divergence on the 7-day time frame chart as stochastic was forming higher low than previous low. But at the same time, you can see that the price line moves slightly down and form a lower than previous. So you can see that the value of this candlestick was, by the way, you can watch the lowest value here. The value was 0.002991, and here we had the value of 0.002966. That is lower than previous low, and now the pricing is geared up after forming a new low. And that was a bullish divergence signal there, and the pricing followed this bullish divergence signal, and now it is moving towards the next resistance of $0.0045. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this down channel is here at the top of the channel at 1.5 cents. Now, here you can see that on the 7-day time frame chart, we have already broken out this huge falling wedge pattern as well, and the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be somewhere between 8 cents to 10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.